Hello friends, have you ever seen a rainbow like ring around the sun and raised curious questions like what is it and how it is formed, or when it can be observed, or is it a very rare phenomenon? And what is it that makes it appear in a ring-like form?
And how is it able to form when there is no sign of rain at all?
Hi, myself Ankita and I welcome you to Unleash Science. To stay tuned with us, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Yes, without any further delay, let's go and find out the answer for all your curious questions. The ring that was formed around the sun is commonly known as halo or a 22-degree halo, which is a quite common phenomena that it appears on an average of about 100 times a year. Now, let's find out how these halos are formed and what makes it different from a regular kind of rainbow. In case of rainbows, the rainbows are observed whenever there is a water droplet in the atmosphere, and when the sunlight hits these water droplets, some of the light rays are reflected back in the form of colored rays known as rainbow. In order for a rainbow to be seen, the observer must be between the sun and a raindrop, with the observer facing the direction of the ray. In addition, the sun must be lower in the sky, which should be less than 42 degrees above the horizon. As we got an idea about how a regular arc-shaped rainbow is formed, let's move forward to see how the 22-degree halos are formed. The 22-degree rainbow is also an optical phenomena as in the case of a regular rainbow. They form a ring around both the sun and the moon at a radius of approximately 22 degrees. This phenomena occurs when the sun or moon's rays get deflected or refracted, similar as in the case of regular rainbow, but instead of passing through the water droplets, it passes through the hexagonal ice crystal present in the cirrus cloud. These hexagonal shaped ice crystals of cirrus clouds are found in the upper troposphere that is very close to the sky. So, when the light ray passes through these hexagonal ice crystals, the viewer can see a complete circular ring. But why the regular rainbows are semicircular and the halo forms a complete circle? In both the cases, they form a complete ring of rainbow, but we can see only a semicircular arc in the case of rainbow because here the rainbow formation takes place close to the ground. Hence, we fail to observe the complete ring of rainbow. But if we observe these rainbows from the aeroplane, the complete ring of the rainbow can be observed. In case of halo, it is formed very close to the sky and the observer views it from the ground. Hence, the halo can be observed easily. Apart from halo, there are also different types of rainbows like fog bow, lunar, multiple rainbows, twin, full circle, supernumerary bow, etc. To watch more videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification to get updated. That's all for today. Keep learning.